Hi, this is Janelle Spice and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you the new trend coffee dalgona recipe that is going viral during coronavirus. So just like others did a challenge all over the social media, one caught up in the trend, so I made my own simple and easy recipe too.
And it goes a little something like
So without further ado, first I mix 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. And next, constantly stirring for 5 minutes until it turns from brown to beige. Some people use an electric mixer to achieve the thick and foamy texture. While stirring, let me tell you the story behind the Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee is known as the coronavirus social media craze. The craze started in January 2020 when Korean actor Jung Woo showed how to make the drink. It is inspired by South Korea's Dalgona candy, or mince, and was popular in the 70s and 80s. The Dalgona candy is just made of mixed sugar with hot water till it started turning slightly yellow. It tastes sweet at first, then has a bitter finish. It really takes a lot of arm power. I think this is perfect. Now pour some hot or cold milk in a glass. Then spoon the mixture on top of a glass of milk. You may customize some toppings like fruits or Oreo crumbs to infuse the flavor of the creamy coffee. So guys, try this at home and enjoy Starbucks Dalgona Coffee.